everyone. In this short video I'm going to show you how to use the Whodunit feature in Angel. The first thing we'll do is go to the Report tab, and then you're going to click on the drop-down menu and choose Whodunit. And then you can click on the Report menu and choose which kind of activity you want, but you've got to wait for the screen to refresh, and it's being a little bit slow today, so I'm just going to apologize in advance for that. So I'm going to look at the type of activity, and I'd like item completion because I'm going to look to see which students have not completed one of the assignments that was due yesterday. So it defaults to all users, but I could choose select groups or various teams. So I'm going to list users who have not, but I could also click on have completed a certain assessment, and I'm going to have the orientation quiz is what I want to look and see if people have completed. You can choose to have a chart or a table. I prefer the table view. I like to just have a list so that I can see who did it and who didn't. And then I'm just going to click run. And it normally goes pretty quick. Today the system is a little slow. But when it does run, it will give me a list of all the students who haven't completed this assessment. I can also run this automatically by creating an agent from this query. I can export it, I can save it, I can send the report results via email. So there's all sorts of things that I can do in here. If I do save it, I can access it again later under the Saved Reports tab. We're just waiting here for Angel to give us the list of people who have not completed this assignment. So I apologize. Okay, so here's my list of people who haven't completed the assignment. And I see that it's good that most people have completed the assignment, but I want to send an email to the people who haven't. So I'm going to click on Send Mail, and it takes me to an email box. Now note that it puts the names of the participants all in the blind copy line, which is nice. That's good for student confidentiality. I can click on people that I don't want to get the email and remove them. Note that it always defaults the priority to low. Not sure why it does that, but I always like to change that back to normal. It defaults to no subject, so you want to give it a subject and then go ahead and put in your message, and that is how you can use Whodunit to quickly send messages to students who either have or haven't completed or done some activity in your class.